What we're doing here today is a very easy maintenance on a F150 here. This happens to be a 2019. It's to change the air filter. I went and purchased a new air filter here. There are two plastic little spring clips here. You just pull those off. And there's some tabs here that are on the top of the air intake here, and they just slide out. And we can take our old filter out here and put our new one in. Okay, I have our new filter here. The paper side goes down and it only goes in one direction. Just put it down there, line your tabs up on the back side, push it down. There are two grooves that the cover fits in, and we'll lock our tabs and lock them on there. You're all done.